Those of you guys that are XRP fans, Brad Garlinghouse hails Trump bull market as Ripple sees growth. Ripple is doing a lot. They came out the new stable coin. Okay, they're converting. Well, they're trying to not converting is the wrong word, but they're XRP ledgers trying to do different things with smart contracts and tokenization and RWA, even memes. They're going away from just being a pure financial play, which is a smart thing. They're also planning an IPO. They're doing a lot of things, okay? And more importantly, SEC is probably going to drop their appeal against XRP, and that will be the final nail in the coffin for the SEC, right? So XRP is doing quite well. They have recovered to 241. They're not very far off from their prior high of 280 something. So you could have picked up XRP at $2, okay, or 201, 205. Recently, in the last 2 weeks, it hit that level a couple of times. Here's one where it hit a 195. It's back to 242. 20%. And Bitcoin is now above 100,000 once again, right? So XRP is one of those that have climbed up really, really fast. Hopefully you guys had an opportunity to pick up. Not just XRP, Solana's been making big moves, coming back up as well. Solana unveils quantum resistant vault for security. A lot of people talking about quantum computing because of the AI chip Google came out with, right? And now crypto projects are coming out with things that are more quantum resistant, right? But Solana also, they're going to have some ETF approvals this year. That's going to carry them. And plus, fundamentally, Solana has never been stronger than where it is now, right? So they have also recovered up in a big way. Look at this at 220 now. They were as low as 177. Now they're at 220. That's over a 20% jump. We're talking about just a couple of weeks. You could have had a 22% or whatever it is. And it's going back to its previous high. And of course, let's not forget someone like SUI that continues to skyrocket and skyrocket and skyrocket some more and doesn't seem like it ever stops. And I told you guys this is one of the ones that I'm picking up more of because I feel like they're going to have a fantastic 2025. They have to do a 10x just to get to the market cap of Solana XRP. So they have to be at like $45 to $50 to equal the market cap of Solana XRP, right? So the upside to SUI is vast, vast. But you got others too. Let's not forget some of the others like Cardano. Cardano fell down. Well, their ISO project in America, they fell down, man. They fell down all the way to 76 cents at one point. Here's another bottom point at 83 cents. They're at 108 now. You got Algorand that's also making a good recovery. You have a lot of really good. Chainlink back up to 24. They dropped as low as 20. Injective is another one. I saw this headline from my own X that you guys should follow. But they're also going to be introducing Injective 3. They just introduced Injective 2, but 3 basically reduces supply more. They have better token burning and more incentives. Basically, it's going to become a better chain and more deflationary chain, which in crypto is very, very important. And they were one of the hottest crypto projects in 2023, and they can certainly pick up. But my point is this: as Bitcoin continues upwards, guess what's going to happen? The entire crypto ecosystem, they're all going to come back strong. Here's AVAX back to 44. It dropped as low as 35, 34 recently. You know, you're going to have a lot of great movers. DXY is dropping like a rock. We haven't seen, Okay, a big drop like this since August 2nd of 2024, which is good. Why is the DXY dropping a good thing? Well, DXY is just like a measurement of the US dollar against other currencies. And normally when DXY goes up, that is when there's fear in the market, when there's a lot of uncertainty. And when you see it drop, that's usually a good thing. And it's a really great thing for assets like Bitcoin, especially risk-on assets like tech, AI, right? And crypto. So whenever you see DXY drop in a big way, that's pretty darn good. And that's what we're seeing. Okay, we had a little volatility for 2 weeks, like I said. And I think most of that was contributed to just profit taking, tax harvesting, and portfolio rebalancing, which actually happens every single year. But it was more this year than previous years. But now that we're over with all that, the bull run continues. And this week, we also have several big things to look forward to. First of all, CES starts, the biggest electronics show on the planet in Vegas, starts tomorrow. And what's important about that is, well, NVIDIA and Jensen's, they're going to be there and they're going to be talking and highlighting more AI. Whenever that happens, you know, who knows? New things could be shared, and it could cause a whole bunch of, you know, commotion and excitement, and it could be really good. It could be really good. You also have volatility that's actually quite low, historically low, in fact. And I mentioned this too. I've shown you guys charts. Our current cycle has the lowest volatility of any cycle. If you look at the last cycle in 2021, last cycle in 2017, prior to that, volatility, this cycle is way lower. Our 10% drop, 15% drop is nothing compared to the 30 and 35% drops that we had in prior cycles. They were painful, but those people that understood that we have volatility during bull cycles, they picked up and they made a lot of money by doing so. It's the same thing this cycle. Nothing is different, right? And our breakout moment is upon us, and we don't know where it's going to take Bitcoin, but it's going to take Bitcoin much higher than where it is now. We're just at the very beginning. We have a whole year to look forward to. A whole freaking year. Think about that.